How to reduce noise level in your medical spaces. That is the important element for privacy. What we usually suggest for our clients is look at what kind of experience you're creating for your patients, for your staff, and for yourselves. I have 3 suggestions for you to lower your noise level in your medical spaces. Number 1 is your space planning. If you have a chance and you're building your space out, making sure if there's any kind of higher noise level environment, take it away from especially the waiting room area. For example, if you're a dentist and you have a mechanical room which generates a lot of noise, make sure that is far, far away from your waiting room. It's all about creating experience for your patients. We created a course story in another video, which I highly suggest you to look at it, because at the end of the day, it's about what you're creating and what kind of experience and what kind of services you give to your patients. Number 2 is acoustical solution. Use acoustical panels as your art pieces. There's some online, you can search on Google. There's some companies that actually offer acoustical panels that you can print your own picture, make it custom, and it's very cost effective, and use it as an artwork in your space, in your exam rooms, in your waiting room, anywhere that you can see that the level of noise is so high and it's kind of like creating discomfort in this space. So number 3 is surfaces. Eliminate all kind of hard surfaces. So if you have a higher ceiling or you have furniture that doesn't have fabric that's gonna bounce noise or sound, my suggestion would be use a commercial rated rugs. Please make sure that it's commercial rated. And also if you use furniture that it has like fabric on it, it's gonna really help you. Even like by adding plants in your waiting room, it's gonna really help with the noise level. If you are already like in the space, that would be the solution I'll have for you. If you're going through construction and you have a chance to do an extra step, I highly suggest that you invest the money, time, and energy to make the walls with insulation. You can ask your contractor, how can I reduce the noise level and have an insulation inside each walls. Hope that helps you. My challenge to you is go sit down in your own waiting room. Here, feel what kind of experience you have as far as the noise level. And then from there, if you put yourself as your patient who's sitting in your waiting room, then you have much better, more clarity and ideas how to go about it to reduce the noise level.